Today, I'm going to reveal my grandma's banana cake recipe. It's super soft and delicious. A perfect recipe for breakfast. It's quick and easy. You won't be able to resist it. Let's start by adding a cup of sugar to a pan. Stir continuously until the sugar melts and turns into caramel. Do this process on medium to low heat. When you reach this point, add half a cup of water. And keep stirring for another 2 minutes. That's it, folks. This is the ideal point. Add all the syrup to a baking pan. Once done, use a spatula to spread the syrup along the sides of the pan. Like this. This will make it easier to unmold. Next, we're going to cut 4 bananas in half, like this. And we're going to position them on the bottom of the pan, just like I'm doing. Repeat the process until the bottom of the pan is full. Then set aside. In another container, add 3 eggs, then a cup of sugar. And we're going to mix these 2 ingredients really well. My grandma makes this cake every weekend. It's a hit. Everyone loves it. That's it, folks. Next, add half a cup of milk. Then add half a cup of oil. Mix well. And if you like easy recipes like this one, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Then, we'll add 2 cups of wheat flour little by little. Mix very well. And if you're enjoying our recipes, comment below which city you're watching us from. I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. This cake is an excellent option for your breakfast and for an afternoon snack. Once you make it once, you'll want it again and again. Finally, add a spoonful of yeast. Stir until dissolved. And look how beautiful this dough is, guys. Simply perfect. Now add all the dough to the baking pan. Once this step is finished, we'll put it in the oven preheated to 180 degrees for approximately 40 minutes. And look how incredible our caramelized banana cake turned out. Simply wonderful. So, let's take a piece and take a closer look at the result. This is that super soft cake with a delicious flavor that melts in your mouth. It's impossible to eat just one piece. Make it at home, and I'm sure everyone will love it. If you've made it this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10 for this recipe in the comments. What rating would you give this cake? Now I'm going to leave it here. A big hug and see you in the next video.